Guys, this is my first time making videos in the public, and I can clearly say that making content is not for the weak, especially if you are a shy type like myself. And it's crazy because look around us, we have like 1,000 people right here, but I still have to shoot that content anyway. So if you are a small YouTuber and you are trying to grow your small channel like me, and you are still worrying, you are still being shy about that content, I'm telling you, you have to shoot that content anyway. And second thing that I learned so far is the fact that you still have to post that content anyway. You know, the content is never going to shoot itself. Yes, and that is why without you pressing that record button, it is never going to happen. So shoot that content today, post that content today, and upload it today, and that's what it is, guys. You have to stop trying to be professional as a beginner. You have to stop trying to be like Mr. Beast, trying to be like other successful YouTubers. Okay, you have to start with whatever you have, even if it is just your smartphone and your microphone. You can actually start with whatever you have, and just tell yourself that before you make your first 100 videos, you get perfect with your niche. No matter the niche, stay blessed. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and drop a comment, and I'll be dropping more gems for you guys.